Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard server tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily join your Minecraft Java Edition server. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is head to your control panel. And then on your control panel, you should see an option that says server address. Now the server address you want to completely copy and paste into your game. So go ahead and highlight it and then click Ctrl+C or right click and click copy. Now that this is copied, launch up Minecraft. Then go to the multiplayer tab and then click add server. And this, you can name the server whatever you want to name it. Though in the IP address section, go ahead and Ctrl+V. This will paste in the IP address. Though also be sure when you paste it in there's no space before or after the address. Once this is done, go ahead and click done. Now you can go ahead and join your Minecraft server and have some fun. Thanks for watching.